Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the unlock succeeds. Have the paired iPhone and the Apple Watch model and serial in front of you. Make sure you know the Apple ID email and either the password or the original proof of purchase for verification. Connect both devices to Wi-Fi and charge them to at least 50%. Once done, open the Apple Watch app on the iPhone and go to My Watch. This first action lets you attempt removal via device settings or prepare to contact Apple for activation lock removal. Now proceed with the detailed middle steps. If you know the Apple ID password, in the Watch app tap All Watches, tap the info icon, and choose Unpair Apple Watch. This removes activation lock through your iCloud credentials. If you don't know the password, erase the watch using Settings General Reset, erase all content and settings from the watch while it's nearby and connected to the iPhone. Make sure to collect proof of purchase and the watch serial. These are required if you escalate to Apple support for lock removal. Finish by confirming success. After unpair or erase, sign into iCloud. Calm or the Find My app and verify the Apple Watch no longer appears under devices. If activation lock persists, contact Apple support and submit the original receipt, watch serial, and your account email. Apple will verify ownership and can remove the lock. If you run into delays, make sure your documents show purchase date and matching serial. This single troubleshooting tip speeds verification and avoids repeat requests. So keep PDFs and photos handy for upload.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.